In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your cards on the Trello app. Let's get started by going to Trello's website. So open your web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now you have a couple of options for logging in. You can either use your email address, or if you find it more convenient, you can log in with your Google account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll land on your Trello homepage where you can see various options and features that Trello has to offer. To find your cards, you'll first want to navigate to the Boards section. You'll find this by clicking on the Boards tab. This is where all your boards are located, essentially the projects or categories you're working on. Next, head over to the Your Workspaces section. Here, you'll see all the workspaces you are part of. Now select the particular board you want to focus on. Once you're on your chosen board, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see your account profile. Click on your account and from the drop-down menu select the option labeled Cards. This is what will display all the cards assigned to you across different boards. Now that your cards are visible, you have several options to sort them, making it easier to prioritize your work. You can choose to sort your cards by board, which can be useful if you're working on multiple projects simultaneously and want to group tasks by their corresponding project. Alternatively, you can sort them by due date. This is particularly helpful for keeping track of deadlines, ensuring that you're always on top of what needs immediate attention. For an even more customized view, you can use the Filter Cards option. Clicking on this will allow you to set specific parameters to narrow down the list of visible cards. Maybe you want to see only those cards assigned to you or filter by certain labels or due dates. This flexibility helps in managing and organizing your tasks more effectively, allowing you to tailor the view according to your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly find and manage your cards on Trello. Whether you're organizing personal tasks or collaborating on big projects, Trello makes it simple to keep everything in order. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your use of Trello even more productive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more videos for additional tips and tricks on maximizing Trello for all your project management needs.